Hey guys, welcome back to my M54 swap. Today we're going to get the subframe stripped. We're going to get this tranny separated from the motor, and then we'll probably jump to pulling the motor on the E30. But for right now, I'm going to show you guys on a time lapse. Got the motor separated from the tranny. As you can see, it made a big mess. Got the subframe up, got the hoist in place. Gonna yank this motor. We got the E30 wheeled out here. Gotta undo some wiring, undo the guivo. I'm gonna yank the motor and tranny out as one. I decided to keep the subframe in the car because we gotta do some extensive floor pan repairs and all that, so it'd be nice to be able to wheel it around. Yeah, I'll throw you guys on a time lapse. Let's get to it. Got the motor out. Pretty disgusting under there. 30, 40 years of oil leaks. Gonna start pulling all this insulation off, really assess the rust in the firewall. Then we're gonna move on to pulling the dashboard out. Probably gonna wheel this outside and spray everything out. Really get a good look at all the rust. And start our repairs. So after pulling the dash, got some major holes on the firewall. As you can see, the strut right there. I mean, it goes down. Some rust over here where the heater box was. Same thing over there. Pretty bad. So the only way to really get at this would be, to pull this harness through the firewall. So that's what we're doing. So we got the fuse box and the harness out. Bunch of bullshit. Most of it will probably get deleted anyway. Really get a clear shot at what's going on up there now with nothing in the way. So I'll probably pull this pedal box, pull a column, and start working on that rust. Got this rear patch cut out here, not the cleanest. I think I might need to drop the tank. I'd like to cut right in this seam, but the gas tank's right there, so kind of a sketchy place to cut. Up here is a little scary. This is the frame rail here, so it's pretty structural. I'm gonna need to probably reform that there, make a new one. As you can see, a lot of rust up here. It's all the way up the firewall. Same thing on the passenger side. Big corner taken out. It goes all the way up the firewall. Pretty rough, but nothing we can't repair. that's gonna be it for this video. Did some good progress. Got the dashboard out. Got the motor out. Got the rust assessed. Rust is definitely going to be a fun time, but it's going to be worth it in the end. But thanks guys for tuning in, and we'll catch you next week.